Yahweh said, these people claim to worship me, but you worship me meaningless, and their heart beats somewhere else. Then religion is nothing but human rules and traditions, which they have simply memorized. The deaf will hear the words of the scroll, the eyes of the blind will see. The humble will rejoice to Yahweh. The needy will rejoice in the Holy One of Israel. Yahweh said, these people claim to worship me, but their words are meaningless. Their hearts are somewhere else. The religion is nothing but their rules and traditions, which they have simply memorized.
Yeah. Kompleto ang message natin. Doon lang sa kantang yun, kompleto na, no? Yun na talaga eh. So, tayo po tayo para sa pagbigay ng blessing ng ating Abayawa. Abayawa said to Moses, "Tell Aaron and his sons, this is how you are to bless the Israelites. Say to them, Abayawa bless you and keep you. Abayawa makes his face shine on you and be gracious to you. Abayawa turn his face toward you and give you peace. So the Kahan will put my name on the Israelites and I will bless them." So medyo po lahat ang pagpapala ng ating dakilang may likha, ang ating dakilang Abayawa, ang nag-iisang hari, nag-iisang tagapagligtas nating lahat. At pinanggagalingan ng lahat ng papala. Nawa lahat ng kanyang tagubili ng aking mga instructions ay magana po natin lahat dito sa kanyang kaharian at manatili tayo sa kanyang kadakilaan. Halalwaya Abayawa. Yada.